Q comma sigma comma delta comma dot comma F. Q comma sigma comma delta comma Q naught comma F. What about the DFA five tuple? Is it same or different?
Same.
Same. NFA? NFA. Same. For epsilon NFA also it is same. Then where it differs? It differs in transition function. What is the transition function for DFA? 2 sigma is equals to Q. What is the transition function for NFA? Q into sigma is equals to 2 to the power of Q. What is the transition for epsilon NFA? It includes, input includes epsilon and it will give you 2 to the power of Q. Epsilon NFA means it is NFA only, but it includes one more extra input that is nothing but the epsilon. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll tell you one example. The given language is equals to 1001. For this language, you have to construct the epsilon NFA. It is not NFA, ma. It is epsilon NFA you have to construct. How can you construct? I'll tell you one example. Q naught on epsilon. First transition should be epsilon. Q on epsilon is going to Q1. Q1 on 1 is going to Q2. Q2 on 0 is going to Q3. Q3 is the final state. 1 0 accept ainda leda? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about 0 1? Same. Start the transition with epsilon only. Q4. Q4 on 0 is going to Q5. Q5 on 1 is going to Q6. Here you must have the transition epsilon at first. Is anybody having doubt regarding how to construct epsilon NFA for the given language?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then moving forward. Construct epsilon NFA for the language. L is equals to 1 0 power 1 n greater than or equals to 0. How can you draw? Please tell, I'll draw it. మీరు చెప్తా ఉంటే నేను డ్రా చేస్తా. Initial state Q0.
Q1 to epsilon. Epsilon on Q1.
Epsilon Q1. చెప్పండి.
1, 0.
Here?
0.
Self loop on Q2.
Self loop on 0. 1. Is it accepting?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, what's wrong here?
Correct only.
Correct only. So this is nothing but the epsilon NFA for the given language. Next, 0 power m, 1 power n, where m comma n greater than or equals to 0. What is the diagram for this? Transition diagram.
Ma'am, 0 power 0 will return epsilon, no, ma'am?
Yes.
And epsilon into 1 is 1 or epsilon, ma'am?
Epsilon into
1.
1 only.
Okay, ma'am.
If both are zeros, then it is epsilon. శరత్ అర్థమైంది నేను చెప్పాను.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I'll tell you. First transition should be epsilon. Okay, this is nothing but the epsilon NFA. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
But generally, they'll give you the language and ask you to construct a DFA and NFA only. Very rarely they may ask to construct the epsilon NFA. But here in epsilon NFA part, the important thing is epsilon closure. The important thing is epsilon closure. How can we construct the epsilon? Generally, they'll give you the epsilon NFA and ask you to find the epsilon closure. These questions we may expect from this epsilon NFA. So for example, this is Q naught, Q1, Q2. Okay, this is 0, epsilon 1, 2, epsilon. Okay, suppose assume that is it epsilon NFA or not? The given one epsilon NFA or not? How can we recognize whether it is epsilon NFA or not?
Initial state will be like epsilon.
Not only initial state, whenever the diagram is having epsilon transition, then that is known as the epsilon NFA. Whenever you are constructing, we will take that epsilon as the first from the initial state, we'll take the epsilon. But when they have given any diagram, if you observe any epsilon transition at anywhere, then you may call it as epsilon NFA. Am I clear with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is epsilon closure? How can we find this? Epsilon closure of Q naught is equals to, for each state, we'll find the epsilon closures. Epsilon closure of Q naught is equals to, దేనికైతే మీరు epsilon closure find out చేస్తున్నారో that state itself. So Q naught on epsilon, where it is going?
Q1.
Q1 on epsilon, where it is going?
Q2.
Q2. This is nothing but the epsilon closure of Q naught. For all the state, you have to find the epsilon closure. Epsilon closure of Q1 is equals to the state itself, Q1 on epsilon, where it is
Q2.
going? Q2. Next, epsilon closure of Q2, where it is going?
Over.
Nowhere. Nowhere means that you have to consider the state itself, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, ma? Did you understand how can we find the epsilon closures? Epsilon closure means if Q is any state in epsilon NFA, then set of all states which are at zero distance, which means which you are having the epsilon transition, then that state is called as epsilon closure of that particular state. Am I clear with this? I'll give you one more diagram. Will you able to find out the epsilon closure? Respond avandi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Q naught on 0 is going to the same state. Q naught on epsilon is going to Q1. This is 1. Again, this is epsilon Q2. Q2 as the final state. 1, 0, Q3, 0, 1. Find out epsilon closures. For all the states, find out the epsilon closures.
Ma'am, can a state be repeated twice?
No, only once is enough. No need to repeat again.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Q0 will be Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3.
ఒక నిమిషం.
Q1 will be Q1, Q2, Q3. Q2, Q2, Q3.
Q2
Only Q2 and Q3, ma'am.
అంతేనా? ఒకసారి చూడు.
Ma'am, Q2, Q3, Q1.
Yes.
Q1, ma'am.
What about Q3?
Q3, Q1, Q2.
Okay. I'll write the answers. Epsilon closure of Q0 is equals to self state first time consider. Next Q0 on epsilon is going to Q1, Q1 on epsilon is going to Q2, Q2 on epsilon is going to Q3. Next again epsilon closure of Q1 is equals to Q1 on epsilon is going to first self state Q1, next Q1 on epsilon is Q2, Q2 on epsilon is Q3. Again, Q3 on epsilon is Q1. Already I have written. So epsilon closure of Q2 is equals to the state itself, Q2, Q3, and Q3 will go to Q1. Again, epsilon closure of Q3 is equals to Q3 comma Q1. Q1, again Q2 also you'll get. Okay, got it, ma? Think now you understood how to construct the epsilon closures.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll move on to the next concept. Before going to the next concept, is computing power of NFA and NFA same?
No, ma'am.
No, which one is greater?
NF.
NFA.
ఎవరు చెప్పారమ్మా?
Me.
Epsilon NF.
Seema, observe. First tell me what is the language accepted by DFA? What is the language accepted by DFA?
Q.
Okay. నేను చెప్తాను అర్థం చేసుకోండి. W belongs to sigma star. W means W అంటే ఏంటి? నేను మీకు స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఇది చెప్పాను, టర్మినాలజీ చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్పాను. Which one will represent using W?
String.
Yes. So string belongs to given input alphabet. For example, sigma is equals to 0, 1, but I have given the string as 0, 2, 0. Is it a valid string? Is it a valid string W?
No, ma'am.
Why you are telling it is no?
Because 2 is not included in there.
Because 2 does not belongs to sigma. So the string must belongs to the sigma star. Got it? Okay. When will you accept the language? The transition from initial state on W is going to final state. Intena? Initial state ante initial state will represent with the symbol Q0. Q0 is the W. String apply chesthe final state ki velte we are accepting the language. Is there any difficulty to understand this statement?
First condition is string belongs to set of
given input lonche రావాలి string అనేది.
Okay, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఇనిషియల్ స్టేట్ నుంచి నువ్వు ఆ స్ట్రింగ్ మొత్తాన్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసేటప్పటికి ఫైనల్ స్టేట్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏబి ఇచ్చానమ్మా నేను మీకు స్ట్రింగ్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎలా రాస్తాను? Q0, Q1, Q2 as my final state. ఇప్పుడు AB యాక్సెప్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఎప్పుడు యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు? మీరు ఫైనల్ స్టేట్ గీసారు కాబట్టి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సపోజ్ ఈ B అనేది ఇక్కడ కాకుండా Q3 గీసా, Q3 is not the final state. Will you accept that particular string?
Ma'am.
So when will you accept the transition from initial state to that particular string will go to final state, then we'll accept that string. Got it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
I'm erasing this. What about NFA? Tell me what is the language accepted by NFA? Let's just చెప్పండి, అందరు చెప్పాలి. నళిని, రిషిత, అఖిల్, శరత్, రోల్ నెంబర్ 2, మనీష్ రెడ్డి. Be active. What is the language for NFA? Shall I tell? Same as W sigma నుంచే రావాలా లేదా? Okay. Delta of Q0 from initial state on string, it has to reach the final state. అవునా కదా?
Yes, ma'am.
Though the way of representation, where it is taking input, whether it is taking the input or not, whether it is going to one state or more than one state on a single input, those things are not required when you are accepting the language. When Q0 on W is going to F, then you are accepting the language. Is it not? So, what is the language of M with respect to epsilon NFA? Same, W belongs to sigma star union epsilon. Delta of Q0 comma W will reach to final state. Though it is epsilon NFA or NFA or DFA, when it is reaching to the final state, then only you are accepting that particular string. Is it not? So, the computing power of DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA all are same. The computing power of efficiency of DFA is equals to NFA is equals to epsilon NFA. The computing power of all the machines are equal. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have, I think I have covered the basic terms. DFA for language in the form of enumerable form, set builder form, and statements. NFA I have covered, and epsilon NFA also I have covered, right? Now I'll tell you how can you convert the NFA to DFA. Actually, manaki విడిగా NFA to DFA కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయమని సిలబస్ లో లేదు, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫైనైట్ ఆటోమేటా ఓన్లీ. ఎనీవే ఐ విల్ డెమాన్స్ట్రేట్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. NFA నుంచి DFA లకు ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అనేది. ఓకేనా? క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
NFA టు DFA లో కన్వర్ట్ చేద్దాం మనం ఇప్పుడు. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, ఈజీయే. Q0, Q1, Q2. Okay. Is it NFA or DFA?
NFA.
Yes.
NFA. How can you say that it is NFA? NFA అని ఎలా చెప్పారు మీరు?
A and B is like represented multiple
Yes,
times.
because from state on input it to the so it's NFA. How can we NFA DFA? I'm telling you, observe carefully. Jarda winner అంటే చాలా easy అమ్మ. So first I'm drawing the transition table. Okay, initial state is Q naught. A, B are the input symbols. Q naught on A, where it is going?
Q1
అందొక్కటేనా?
and Q2.
Q2 కూడా వెళ్తుందా? Q naught
Q
on
naught.
A.
Q not
Again to Q1, Q0, ma'am.
Q naught on A is going to Q naught Q1. Is it not? Next. Q naught on B.
Q naught.
Q not.
On the Q naught. ఇంతవరకు ఎవరికి డౌట్ లేదు కదమ్మా, because we are starting from the initial state. After this, if you observe any new value, new state here, that you consider as the next state. ఇప్పుడు Q naught Q1 as the new state. Okay. Now Q naught on A, where it is going?
Q1.
అదొకటేనా? సరిగ్గా చూసి చెప్పండి అక్కడ. Q naught on A.
Q naught Q.
Q naught Q1. Q1 on A.
Q2.
Q2. Next. Q naught on B.
Q not.
Q1 on B.
Q1. Q2.
Q naught Q1, right? So Q naught Q1 ఒకసారి రాసి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ న్యూ స్టేట్ ఏంటి? ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. న్యూ స్టేట్ ఏమొచ్చింది?
Q not
Q
Q1.
naught Q1 Q2. Q naught on A, where it is going?
Q1 and Q not.
Q naught Q1. Next Q naught on sorry, Q1 on where it is going?
Q2 and
Q2. Q2A is where it is going, it is Q2 only. So already represented. Q naught on B, where it is going? Q naught.
Q not.
Next
Q1.
Q1 on B, where it is going?
Q1.
Q1 as well as Q naught, that already I have represented. Anything else? Q2 on B is also going to Q1 only. Okay, అంతా అయిపోయిందా? రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేసామా? ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా న్యూ స్టేట్స్ వచ్చాయా? Q naught Q1 ఆల్రెడీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. Q naught Q1 Q2 ఆల్రెడీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. Q naught Q1 ఆల్రెడీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. సో there are no more new states.
And Q2 on B.
Q2 on B, where it is going?
Should we consider only B or both A and B, ma'am?
Bని చూసేటప్పుడు Bని మాత్రమే కన్సిడర్ చేయి. B మీద ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? Q1కి వెళ్తుంది. Q1 ఆల్రెడీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేశాను.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now from this diagram we'll construct the transition from this table we'll construct this transition diagram. Q naught on A is going to Q naught Q1. Q naught Q1 on B is going to Q naught. Q naught Q1 on A is going to Q naught Q1 Q2. Okay. Q naught Q1 on B is going to self loop. Q naught Q1 Q2 on A is going to self loop A. Q naught Q1 Q2 on B is going to self loop B. What is DFA? From one state to another state, the input has to represent only one time and you should represent each and every input. So Q naught on A, it is going to this. Q naught on B. Q naught on B is going to self loop. Okay, A, B, రెండు represent చేసాం. Next Q naught Q1 on A. A is going to Q naught Q1 Q2. Next on B is going to this one only. EB ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది అసలు? ఓకే, AB రెండు రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. Q naught Q1 Q2 కి AB రెండు రిప్రజెంట్ చేసాం. This is nothing but the NFA to DFA conversion. This you may call it as subset construction. Got it, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you one problem, you solve it. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Okay. Now construct, all of you construct this NFA to DFA. Construct
Ma'am,
NFA.
explain once again.
Who is that?
Ma'am, it's me, Nalini.
Okay, Nalini. First ఏం చెప్పాను నేను?
Ma'am, after the transition table, ma'am.
ఆఫ్టర్ ద ట్రాన్సిషన్స్ టేబుల్ ఏముందమ్మా, జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏ స్టేట్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో ఆ స్టేట్స్ ని స్టేట్స్ గా తీసుకో. Q0, Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q2. నెక్స్ట్ Q0 ఆన్ ఏ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుందో ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఇవ్వు. బి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుందో ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఇవ్వు. Q0, Q1 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది ఆన్ ఏబి. Q0, Q1, Q2 ఆన్ ఏబి ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఏముంది అందులో?
Okay, ma'am.
ఓకే, ట్రై చేయి, లేకపోతే నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Completed, ma? Nalini? Nalini, are you there? Complete అయిందా?
Of
No? Okay, anyway, I'll explain, ma. Observe carefully. How many states we are having? Q naught. First start with the initial state and take the input alphabet over here. Next, Q naught on A, where it is going? Q naught only. Next, Q naught on B, where it is going? Q1 only. Next, what is the new state you have observed here?
Q1,
Q1. Q1 on A, where it is going?
Q1, Q2, and Q3.
Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1 on B, where it is going?
Q2,
Q2. What is the new state you have observed here?
Q2, Q3.
Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1 on A is going to Q1, Q2, Q3. Q2 on A is going to nowhere. Q3 on A is going to nowhere. So this is Q1 on B. Q1 on B is going to Q2.
Q3.
Q2 on B is going to nowhere. Q3 on B is going to Q3 as well as Q1
Q1.
also. Next, what is the new state we have observed here? Q2. Q2 on A is going to 5, nowhere 5. Is anybody having doubt regarding this subset construction table?
no.
Nalini, ఇది అర్థమైందమ్మా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇవన్నీ కూడా న్యూ స్టేట్స్ అంటే DFA లో వచ్చే స్టేట్స్ మనకి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టేట్స్? Q0, Q1, Q1, Q2, Q3 as a single state and Q2 as one more state. And ఇక్కడ Q2 కదా final state, Q2 వచ్చినవన్నీ final states. This is the final state and this is also the final state. Now ఈ టేబుల్ నుంచి Q0 on A ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? Sorry, Q0 on A is going to Q0 itself. Q0 on B ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది? Q1 కి వెళ్తుంది. So B. Q1 on A, it is going to Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1 on B, it is going to Q2. Okay, next Q1, Q2, Q3 on A or B, it is going to self loop only. Next Q2 is going to nowhere. Still it is not going to anywhere, but in DFA we have to represent no. That's why I'm considering the dead state QD and I'm representing A comma B. QD on A comma B is again going to dead state. Am I clear with this? చూడండి Q0 KB వచ్చేసింది, Q1 KB వచ్చింది, Q1 Q2 Q3 KB వచ్చింది, Q2 AB కూడా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తుంది. Everything we have represented. Am I clear with this concept? Say yes or no. All of you please respond. Sharat,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain the last two steps, ma'am?
last two steps, which means Q1, Q2, Q3, yeah?
No, ma'am. From Q2 to dead state.
Q2 to dead state ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాను? Q2 on A where it is going? Nowhere. Q2 on B where it is going? Nowhere. When you are having NFA, మనం states, మనం input symbols represent చేయకపోయినా no issue. But when you come to DFA, you have to represent all the states. No, in NFA there is no concept of dead state. But when you come to DFA, there is a concept of dead state. You have to represent each and every symbol. So ఇది అక్కడికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు కాబట్టి నేను వాటిని dead state కి represent చేశాను. అర్థమైందా?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about remaining? Nalini, ఇప్పుడు clarity వచ్చిందమ్మా.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give one more problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Q0 on A is going to self loop. On B is going to Q1. Okay, construct the DFA for this. Completed, ma'am? Say yes or no. Complete చేశారా? Sharath.
Right, ma'am. I'm not sure if it's correct.
Okay, tell me first transition diagram. You tell me.
Q naught,
Hmm.
Q naught, Q1, Q2.
Okay.
New state will be Q1, Q2.
Okay.
Q naught, Q1, Q2.
Q naught.
Q1,
Q1 ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చిందమ్మా? Q1 on A is going to Q naught. Q1 on A is going to Q2. Where will you get?
Q2.
Q naught Q2 నే కదా, ఇంకేం ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చింది నీకు?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Q1 Q2 on B.
Q naught Q1.
Q naught,
Yes, Q naught Q1. Okay, next if new state Q naught Q2. Q naught Q2 on A.
Q naught Q2.
Q naught Q2. Very good. Q naught Q2 on B.
Q naught Q1 Q.
Q naught Q1 Q2. Next. New state is Q naught Q1.
Q naught Q2. Q1 Q2. Q naught Q1. Q1 Q2. Q naught Q1 Q2.
అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తారు? ఇనిషియల్ స్టేట్ ఇస్ క్యూ నాట్. ఫస్ట్ మీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనుకుంటే స్టేట్స్ అన్ని డ్రా చేయండి ఇలా. ఇందులో ఫైనల్ స్టేట్స్ ఎన్ని వస్తాయి? 3 స్టేట్స్. క్యూ నాట్ ఉన్నవన్నీ ఫైనల్ స్టేట్స్ అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ Q naught on A is going to self loop. Q naught on B is going to Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2 on A is going to Q naught Q2. Q1 Q2 on B is going to Q naught Q1. Q naught Q2 on A is going to self loop. B is going to Q naught Q1 Q2. Q naught Q1 on A is going to Q naught Q2. On B is going to Q1 Q2. Next Q naught Q1 Q2 on A is going to Q naught Q2. On B is going to self loop. Any confusion here? All the states we have represented. There is no phi. No phi means there is no dead state. Got it, ma? Got it? Say yes or no. All of you. Akila, Sharath, Sheshu.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. So with this topic, I'm closing this epsilon NFA. One more topic, that is finite automata with output, that is Moore and Mealy machines, that we'll discuss in the next session. If you have any doubts, please do ask.
మ్యామ్
Hmm?
మ్యామ్ 5 ఇయర్ల అంటే రిప్రజెంట్ చేశారు మ్యామ్ ఇంత ముందుకు Q2కి
ఏంటమ్మా?
5 రిప్రజెంట్ అంటే డెట్ సెట్ లా తీసుకున్నారు కదా మ్యామ్, అది ఎలా తీసుకున్నారు మ్యామ్?
ఇదా? ఇది Q2కి ఏ మీద ఏ స్టేట్ ఉంది, ఏం లేదు. బి మీద ఏ స్టేట్ ఉంది, ఏం లేదు. కానీ మనం డిఎఫ్ఏలో ఏదో ఒక స్టేట్కి వెళ్ళాలి, బి ఏదో ఒక స్టేట్కి వెళ్ళాలి. పక్కగా మనం రిప్రజెంట్ చేయాలి.
Okay, ma'am.
అందుకని
Okay.
ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి డెడ్ స్టేట్కి
Dead
తీసుకెళ్ళాలి.
studies. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ఓకే. Any other doubts, please raise your voice. Okay, if you have any doubt, you may leave. Those who are having doubts, they can stay and remaining people can leave this session.